Hey friends, are you torn between renting and buying and how it affects your long-term wealth? Well, let's break it down. Now this video is too short to cover everything, and there can be advantages to renting if it allows you to invest in other ways, but for the vast majority of people, home ownership is better as a long-term investment that can make your net worth soar. Now, homeowners, regardless of income, have higher net worths than renters who make the same amount of income. And here's part of the secret: home equity. Now, unlike rent, every mortgage payment builds your equity, transforming your debt into a valuable asset over time. Equity grows as you pay down your loan and as homes appreciate. It's like putting money in the bank. Now, when you rent, that money goes to your landlord's bank account and wealth, not yours. So before you sign that rental agreement, consider buying your own place. Talk to a real estate expert that you trust and find out what the benefits of owning might be. Bottom line, no matter what your income, owning a home can boost your wealth now and help your family's future generations. So let's connect now to start your home ownership journey. And for those of you who have been renting and haven't been able to put enough away to buy, we currently have some no money down opportunities that might be right for you. Don't miss out on building your future. Contact me today so I can help. Bye for now.